Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I am trying out some new barbecue. It would be Uncle Wiley's. My parents never told me I had an uncle named Wiley. Carolina Pit Cook Barbecue. And I'll try a little bit of piece here without bread, just to get the true taste. Oh, that's good. I do put mustard on mine, either regular mustard, brown mustard, and I love hot sauce. So I put a little bit of Frank's on there too. That is pretty good, right? I have to give that a 5-star. I don't know where all it's available, but I happened to be in Piggly Wiggly, and it was in there. And just so happened when I saw it, I went to the store to get one thing, and I was hungry. And $100 later, I came out. But I got 2 of these. I will be getting some more of this. And I love barbecue. And that is really good. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.